with the high-quality development of civil aviation, especially under the severe situation of increased unsafe incidents in production and operation. The industry has seen growing demand for talents with system maintenance skills. The engine, as the heart of the aircraft, its safety and stability directly relates to flight safety. Therefore, aircraft maintenance personnel are required not only to have solid theoretical knowledge, but also to rise to different situations with proficient skills. In order to improve the professional skills of aircraft maintenance personnel and solve the challenges of engine maintenance training, Jiean High-Tech has, in accordance with industrial standards, regulations, and real working scenarios of the posts, adopted technologies such as virtuality reality combination, digital twin, software and physical equipment linkage, etc., to develop the Turbofan Engine System Trainer. The Turbofan Engine System Trainer consists of the simulated engine, the virtual cockpit panel, the instructor management system, and the intelligent evaluation system. It is designed based on the CFM56 series engines. Through the interactive learning approach, it can enhance trainees' understanding of the engine system principles, as well as train their hands-on skills, while supporting the mechanical LRU and electrical LRU removal and installation, and other training contents. It allows trainees to do components replacement, troubleshooting, function tests, etc., to help them quickly master the operation regulations and make improvements from basic to advanced levels in a progressive way. The trainer is an excellent platform not just for aircraft maintenance skills training, but also for competition. With the help of the Intelligent Management module, it can precisely track the learning progress and operation details of each operator, and can thus ensure a highly efficient and standardized training process. The Intelligent Evaluation System can assess the operator's performance in real time and generate a detailed evaluation report, which provides fair and transparent evaluation standards for the competition. The Turbofan Engine System Trainer integrates the highly simulated technical environment with the intelligent management and intelligent evaluation systems, and can thus be used for both training and competition. Its safe, efficient, intelligent, and autonomous training mode helps trainees to comprehensively improve their professional skills level and adapt to working scenes in advance, providing strong support to aircraft maintenance talent training.